Markstein is here, and he just got back from Italy. He's one of our favorite jewelry designers here at QVC. He used to be behind the scenes, and he was always responsible for years to bring you ladies the best in Italian jewelry. Why is Italian so special? Well, they are the innovators. They do everything before we Americans. So if you want current before anybody else is wearing it, trendy before anybody else is wearing it, if I could have an extreme close-up to the newest way to wear a paper clip necklace. It doesn't look like what we were wearing 5 years ago. It's gorgeous links that are done in a smooth pattern on one side, the inside, and then done with diamond texture all on the outside. It looks, when it's on your neck, as if you're wearing diamond upon diamond upon diamond, but that would cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Here, whether you're choosing the 18, the 20, or the 22, the sterling silver, or the options that are layered in gold, you are paying under $90. And today, free shipping. Today, 5 easy payments, so that means anywhere from $14 to $18. So a $14 payment, a $16 payment, an $18 payment. David, let me bring you out here. We'll go over all the colors together.
Hi,
welcome back.
Always
great to see David. Well, I love you too, especially in PM style, where we ladies are always searching for the coolest, the most relevant. So go into the details here, and then we'll walk everybody through their choices.
Okay, so I was very pleased and excited that QVC agreed to do a Fresh from the Fair. And let me explain just what that is. So a Fresh from the Fair literally means what it is. I found an item in Italy. It's this item. And it's so hot that we're not going, normally you'd place an order, the buyers would place an order, and in 2 to 3 months it would come in and we'd present it. But no, not in this case. Okay. We pulled these samples from the fair. The only samples in existence are right here. And it's so hot. We're going to go on and present it, and they're going to, all you're going to do is reserve yours today. That's all you're going to do. And so why did I choose this item? Of hundreds of thousands of items I look at the fair, this item is so special to me because it takes the paperclip to a new level. Now, the traditional paperclip has always been popular, but what this factory did for us was they said, we're going to start with it with the silver color, it's sterling silver. Then we're going to plate it black, yellow, or rose, and we're going to diamond cut through it. Wow. So what comes through it is the original silver. And that's the special aspect of those 3 chains, which I think are so beautiful and do look like diamonds. The two-tone, by the way, the most popular. But I love. Let me give everybody their choices real quick, David. It is going to ship out the week of March 24th. So if you look right here, this is going to be our yellow option. And then this one right here is going to be, I believe, our two-tone silver black. Yep. And then this one right here, our two-tone silver rose. That's all right? So I should have told you that was two-tone silver yellow. They have long names. Yes. Then if you move over here, this is your yellow choice. And we have length measurements. It's 18, 20, and 22 in all of these. And then over here, this is your silver choice, again, laid out in the 18, 20, and 22. They just go up by $10 increments. So it's 70 for the 18-inch, 80 for the 20-inch, and 90 for the 22-inch. Again, reserve yours now. It's the hottest look, and David's bringing it to you first. And I've been watching you on the side. Sparkles. You're wearing the two-tone yellow, and it just looks so beautiful. Oh no, it's actually you're wearing the all yellow. Yes, but it sparkles and shines so much. It's something about the scale too. I saw this, and there was many different gauges. The reason I chose this size is that the lobster claw goes into every one of these links. So if you buy the 22-inch, it's versatile. I want jewelry to be hassle-free when I bring it from my brand, and so this will go in any link very easily. So if you want to wear it shorter, longer, whatever you want to do. There's also a matching bracelet that's available, and the bracelet and necklace combination is great. I think Bitsy bought it tonight. Bitsy from Joan Rivers was saying that. Yes, and the bracelet can connect to the necklace. So if you buy the 22-inch bracelet, 22-inch necklace, and the 8-inch bracelet, you have a 30-inch chain. It's beautiful because that combination makes it, again, very versatile. I love when we do a Fresh from the Fair, meaning there's no samples other than this. Nobody even knows about this necklace unless you are at the fair in Italy, where all the big jewelry buyers go. This is David's expertise. So look at Blair. She has the longer chain on. Yes. This is the 22-inch. I mean, it is glamour personified. It is Italian, made in Italy. It looks different. It feels different. But when I look at that, I would never think that that is $90. No. I would think that is hundreds and hundreds of dollars. It's solid. And we were able to do this at a very special price because we worked so hard with the factory. You know, being a buyer here, I know what it is to negotiate. So they negotiate with us, and then I have to negotiate with the factories.
Yes.
So together, it's the perfect storm of bringing something like this. We worked really tight because we wanted to make something affordable for everybody. And you're owning something before the rest of the world can even see it because we
Half our
grabbed
quantities are gone, David. Half our quantities are gone. Ships out the week again of March 24th. Let me show you all your choices. I have on the shortest 18. There's one slightly longer at 20, and then the longest that Blair has on 22. Remember, David said you don't just have to use the first link. You can put these at any of the paper clips, making them as short as you want.
Yes.
So I feel like get the 22-inch and then shorten it along the way. All three of these are your sterling options. So that's your silver choice right here in the 3 different lengths. Then all 3 of these, this is what I have on tonight right here, are your yellow options in all 3 lengths. And then if you move over here, this is where it gets two-tone. So you're gonna see that it goes back to links done in the 18 karat gold and then the sterling. And this one is the two-toned silver yellow, your two-toned silver black, and then your two-toned silver rose. I mean, that black in spring and summer with your easy t-shirts or your beautiful dresses. Can I have a close-up either on my hands or yours?
Yep,
I mean,
sure, I'd love to show
look
it.
at these links. So I'm not wearing diamonds.
We'll just leave it
it's
right
called
here.
diamond cutting, and that's what gives you that Italian
Look at as I move it.
sparkle.
Look at as I move it. I'm holding the black right here, the black with the two-tone and the yellow. It just shines so much. There's a color story here, Amy, that I absolutely love, introducing all these colors. And there's also a layering story here. The layering story is so important. One of the hottest trends right now in jewelry is layering your necklaces, layering your bracelets. And so we have this available.
Well, in that case, you know,
Yeah, I
I
would
know
love
we
to.
have to
I was
wrap
gonna say-
up. I know we're busy on the phone lines. Half our quantities are gone. But guys, if you need the 20 and the 22 back, I'll be here for another hour.
Great unisex,
and they
by
will
the
be
way.
on my neck. Oh, great idea.
Couple of guys I know
David
are buying
Markstein,
this.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Remember,
Good seeing you.
ladies, reserve yours now or they will be gone because we are that busy on the phone lines and they are that
Maybe this will be
limited.
an unboxing sometime.
It very well could be. Thank you, David Markstein. I'll see
Thank
you
you.
soon. All right, we've got a really crazy busy hour that we're going to move into.